If you haven't filled out your census form, this is a good weekend to go find it and fill it out. Census takers will start knocking on doors in the Denver and Aurora area next Thursday. If you don't want them coming to your door, you have a few days left to get the census done.
There are 3 ways that people can complete their census. They can go online, 2020census.gov. They can enter in their ID if they still have it that would have been in the invitation or in the questionnaire, or they can go and call. We're delighted to take their information over the phone, or if they still have that paper questionnaire, they can complete that and go ahead and mail it back.
Census takers are starting early in Colorado. They won't start in the rest of the country until mid-August.